Beautiful large 2-bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. On the right is a coat closet. Beautiful kitchen with a dining area, all stainless steel appliances. Brand new appliances. Comes with a microwave and a dishwasher. There's a dining area space. Double window. Beautiful kitchen. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. And it's a coat closet here, another closet. It's one of the bedrooms here. You can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser, and it comes with a closet. And this is the linen closet. Bathroom. This is the second bedroom. Also a large bedroom, can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. Comes with 2 closets. There's one here, another closet here. 2 windows. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Shiny bathtub. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. A few blocks from the express train, the E train and F train on Main Street and Queens Boulevard, the Briarwood station. The apartment's very good price.